So you can see here we've got the Terncy Smart Dial, and in the other picture you can see these smart blinds that I showed you yesterday. Now this Terncy dial can control the smart blinds either by opening and closing just by pressing the button, or by turning the dial to adjust the amount the blinds will open or close. So I can just turn it a little bit and you can see the blinds go down, turn it a bit more and the blinds will go down a bit more. I can also press it and they'll completely open, or they'll completely close depending on what the last state was. And you can even adjust it just a little bit. A little bit more. Or a lot. And this, ladies and gentlemen, will also work with your It'll work with your Sonos speakers.